This is a York Stellar Series Sinclair. See, we're gonna make this quick because there's a window right there. This is the next box. Where's that freaking data sheet? Sweet. I guess the data sheet is supposed to go back there. I don't know if this is a heat pump or not. The line is nice and cold and sweaty. Let's actually stand back here so they don't see us at the window. It's running, as you can tell. And it shut off. Let's see if we see a reversing valve in there. Is this a heat pump? Yeah, this is a heat pump. There's the compressor. And I guess that's gonna be about it. We'll shut off. Alright, well, I guess that's it.